Kidney health is a crucial aspect of overall well-being, yet many people are unaware of how to naturally support their kidney function and lower creatinine levels. According to the National Kidney Foundation, 1 in 3 American adults is at risk for kidney disease, a statistic that highlights the importance of taking proactive measures. While there is no instant cure, certain natural remedies can aid in improving kidney function and lowering creatinine levels. One of the most effective and easily accessible solutions is herbal tea, a simple yet powerful way to detoxify the kidneys and support their function. This discussion explores the top 7 teas that can help lower creatinine levels, reduce inflammation, and promote kidney health. 1. Moringa tea. The ultimate kidney detoxifier. Moringa tea is one of the most effective herbal remedies for supporting kidney health. Derived from the Moringa oleifera plant, which is native to India and widely grown across Asia, Africa, and South America, this tea is packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants. It is particularly beneficial for individuals with chronic kidney disease, CKD, due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Compounds like flavonoids, phenolic acids, and isothiocyanates, found in moringa, help reduce chronic inflammation, one of the leading causes of kidney damage. Additionally, moringa has been shown to lower blood pressure, an essential factor in preventing further kidney deterioration. Unlike supplements, drinking moringa tea makes its antioxidants more bioavailable. To maximize its benefits, adding a bit of coconut oil and a pinch of black pepper can enhance the absorption of quercetin, the main antioxidant in moringa. 2. Dandelion leaf and root tea. The natural diuretic dandelion tea, made from the leaves and roots of Taraxacum officinale, is a powerful natural remedy for reducing fluid retention and lowering creatinine levels. It has long been used in traditional medicine for its diuretic properties, helping to increase urinary output and flush out toxins. This tea is particularly beneficial for those suffering from swelling and water retention due to kidney dysfunction. Rich in chicoraic acid and chlorogenic acid, dandelion tea also supports blood sugar regulation and provides antioxidant benefits. While it helps remove excess sodium, it does contain potassium, making it a suitable choice only for those whose potassium levels are within a safe range. Easily available in supermarkets and herbal stores, dandelion tea offers a convenient way to support kidney function. 3. Ginger and turmeric tea. A potent anti-inflammatory blend, a combination of ginger and turmeric in a single tea makes for an incredibly powerful kidney-protecting remedy. Ginger is widely recognized for its anti-inflammatory, blood sugar regulating, and fluid retention reducing properties. Meanwhile, turmeric, known for its active component curcumin, acts similarly to anti-inflammatory medications, but without their side effects. Studies have shown that curcumin can reduce proteinuria levels in CKD patients, thereby helping to slow down kidney disease progression. This tea is particularly beneficial for individuals struggling with chronic inflammation, joint pain, and metabolic disorders. To increase the bioavailability of curcumin, adding a pinch of black pepper to the tea enhances its absorption and maximizes its benefits. 4. Peppermint tea. A refreshing kidney cleanser. Peppermint tea is both delicious and beneficial for kidney health. Known for its diuretic, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties, peppermint tea helps flush toxins while also fighting urinary tract infections, UTS. It contains menthol and menthone, which provide relief from bloating, nausea, and indigestion, common issues in individuals with CKD. Additionally, peppermint tea can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce glucose absorption, making it an excellent choice for those with diabetes-related kidney concerns. When selecting peppermint tea, it's important to ensure that it is made from real peppermint leaves, rather than artificially flavored green tea. Alternatively, fresh peppermint leaves can be used to make a more potent homemade tea. 5. Hibiscus tea. A natural blood pressure regulator, hibiscus tea is one of the best natural remedies for lowering high blood pressure, a major risk factor for kidney disease. Rich in antioxidants and bioflavonoids, hibiscus tea helps relax blood vessels, improve circulation, and prevent arterial damage. Many CKD patients rely on medications such as diuretics, ACE inhibitors, and ARBs to manage their blood pressure. But hibiscus tea offers a natural alternative that supports kidney function while reducing the dependence on pharmaceuticals. Clinical studies have shown that hibiscus tea can significantly lower systolic and diastolic blood pressure, making it one of the most effective teas for kidney health. It is readily available in supermarkets and herbal stores, providing an easy and accessible way to enhance kidney function. 6. Green tea. The antioxidant powerhouse green tea is an essential daily drink for anyone looking to improve kidney health. It is packed with polyphenols, particularly EGCG, epigallocate, chingallate, which have been extensively studied for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. These compounds protect kidney cells from oxidative damage, while also improving heart health, regulating blood sugar, and promoting weight loss. Green tea is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes, as it helps lower fasting glucose levels and improves insulin sensitivity. To maximize its benefits, adding a squeeze of lemon juice enhances the bioavailability of catechins, making the tea 5 times more effective. 7. Ginger and garlic tea, a superfood blend for kidney health. For those looking for a potent homemade remedy, ginger and garlic tea is an excellent choice. Both ingredients are widely available in grocery stores and offer numerous health benefits for the kidneys. Garlic is especially effective in lowering blood pressure, managing diabetes, and improving cholesterol levels, all crucial factors for kidney health. Studies have shown that garlic can lower blood sugar almost as effectively as metformin, making it an essential addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Ginger enhances this blend with its anti-inflammatory properties, reducing fluid retention and nausea. Adding fresh lemon juice and cinnamon further amplifies the benefits, making this tea an ideal kidney detoxifier. Conclusion: a simple yet powerful step towards better kidney health. Incorporating kidney-friendly teas into a daily routine is a simple yet powerful way to support kidney health and lower creatinine levels naturally. From moringa tea's anti-inflammatory properties to hibiscus tea's blood pressure lowering effects, these teas provide a wealth of benefits backed by scientific research. While each tea has its unique advantages, they all contribute to reducing oxidative stress, improving circulation, and flushing out toxins. Whether purchased from the supermarket or prepared at home, these teas offer a natural and effective solution for maintaining optimal kidney function. By making these simple changes, individuals can take proactive steps towards a healthier, longer life.